Online app or service not working? If it isn't the issue with your device or internet connection, then it is probably the app or service downtime that is due to a server or technical issue with the developer or service provider and will be fixed automatically. All you need to do is to develop some patience and wait. That's it. Now, if you're getting angry at the advice I just offered, then trust me, I felt the same way when the customer care agent told me to wait patiently for some time. And it happened after my online apps and services were not working. Most people face these downtime issues, and there seems to be nobody that understands how our work life gets affected just because an online app or service is not working. Here are a few examples of recent downtime, and you will be surprised to see names like Apple and Google among the list. Well, I'll tell you about the Apple downtime here. Apple's most recent downtime was experienced on 21st of March 2022, where users faced difficulties using the services and apps. This came to notice via the complaints raised on Twitter and other platforms. App Store, Apple TV, Apple Music, iCloud and Siri were among the top products by Apple that are used by all people carrying Apple hardware. On a lighter note, most of the comments by users suggested a digital attack by the Russians, but as a matter of fact, it was the Apple servers that were facing technical issues. Most of the Apple services, including the Apple's developer website, Apple Fitness, iMessage, and Apple Maps were not working, resulting in frustration and issues among Apple users. Of course. Google Map downtime. On 18th March of 2022, Google Maps experienced a serious downtime, creating chaos among millions of users that use Google's navigational service for their livelihood. Taxi drivers, delivery agents, and many more users require Google Maps to deliver goods and services as well as carry passengers from one place to another. Right? The Down Detector logged more than 11,000 reports regarding this issue across, and there has been no official response from Google as to why this anomaly occurred. Wow. Amazon Web Services downtime. A major downtime was experienced by Amazon Web Services somewhere in the first week of December 2021 that resulted in many online services to cease working. Sellers or Amazon portal could not manage their orders during the festive season. There is no exact reason identified as to what caused this, but Amazon did release a statement stating that the network devices in the eastern region had caused the outage. An outage like this, and that too with Christmas approaching, might have caused a huge loss to an e-commerce giant like Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp downtime. The most popular of social media apps, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, all owned by the same parent company, experienced a few hours of downtime in the first week of October 2021. You must have experienced it. This was reported as one of the largest outages in the history of the company and resulted in decreasing the value of shares by $40 billion. A total of 10.6 million reports were recorded by Down Detector, and a usual no satisfactory reason for this was offered by the company. ISP Internet Outages. The final time of downtime is something that is not caused by the app or service provider but by the internet service provider in your area. This is the most dangerous type of downtime, as none of your apps or services will work due to lack of active internet. Although this rarely happens, but it is not uncommon. It is often caused due to physical issues in the lines of poles in your neighborhood and can be fixed by ISP technicians once they get informed and pick up your complaint. Today, we are so dependent on the internet and electricity that a small disruption on these services can create chaos and send waves of tension and depression to all those facing the downtime issues. The things that are dependent on online apps and services include e-commerce, schooling, communication, medical information, and banking. So if you're fully dependent on the internet, then you would not be able to do anything in these downtimes, and hence it is advised to keep a backup plan. For more information, do remember to watch Can We Live Without the Internet? The link is in the description below. Till then, I bid you farewell, and I'm waiting for your comments about downtime and how can we cope with this issue. Bye. Goodbye for now.